Hey guys, welcome back to the Loan Help YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can get up to $10,000 personal loan within no credit check and with an instant deposit in your bank account. So how you can get it, what will be the process, what will be the documents will be needed, and what will be the eligibility criteria for this personal loan. So we are going to discuss all those things in this video, so please make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, please make sure to like our video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we talk about all the loan related things in this channel. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we upload a new video you will get a notification of it, and you will able to watch the video and you will never miss a video. So let's start the video with our video. So what you have to do is go to the google.com. as usual, just type the make help of. Here you can see make help of. You just have to type make help of without any space, or you can just go to the makehelpof.com directly also. So what you have to do is click on this first link over here. So after you click on this link, the Google is loading now, and after you click on this link you will be redirected to our makehelpof.com website, which is a loan specialist website. On this website you will get all the related information related to loans. As you can see, loans, credit cards and finance. So this is the best website for finances and loans, so you should visit it whenever you will need the loan. Here we have included many articles about the loans, that how you can get the bad credit no check loans, or the many we have also reviewed the many companies that like badcreditloan.com, and also very like the money mutual payday loans.com and the prosperloans.com. so we have reviewed many loan companies also. So if you want to also check out that, so please visit the website and check out that articles. So today we are going to discuss about the Cash USA personal loans. Yes guys, you already tried. If you have a bad credit, you can also apply for this cashusa.com. yes, these websites accept a bad credit score. No matter how much score you have, they will accept it, and they will provide you a personal loans up to $1,000 to $10,000. yeah guys, you heard it right. So what you have to do is just come to this website over here. After you come to this website, click on the loans here, and after you click on the loans, it's just like I'm going to show you. After you click on the loans, you will see the all information related to loans, and you just need to click on the whichever loan you want to read, or whichever the article you want to read in, or you haven't found, or if you are not finding the article, you just need to search on it, and just search Cash USA, and just enter the button, and you will see that the cashusa.com, and then click on the article link over here. So what you have to do is, before applying for this website, please come to this website over here and please read all the articles about the loans, so that you don't miss any information. It might be possible that I'm not able to convey all the points in this video, because this video will be then many longer. So what you have to do is come to this website, read all the related information related to this loan, and then and only then apply for this loan. So guys, let me tell you, it is not a promotional video. It is not a I'm not promoting this website. I'm just reviewing it based on the articles on the internet. So it's not tried by me, or it's not like I have sponsored by these websites or all. So it's like I am just reviewing this website, so please don't misunderstood that I'm promoting this website. So what you have to do is this website cashusa.com is providing up to $10,000 personal loan. And what will be the APR? So the pro points and the cons of this loan company is given here, that you will be able to get $5,500 to $10,000. All credit types are accepted and receive funds in your bank account as soon as the next business day. These are the plus points of this website. And cashusa.com is not a direct lender. Yes guys, it's not the direct lender. It will give your application form to their own lenders and they will review it, and after they review it and they will get you an offer for loan, and that offer also includes the how much APR you will be getting and how much a repayment term you will be get on this on your personal loan. So you'll know that things on your offer. So what will be the APR of your personal loan? So your APR can range between the 5.99 to 35.99%. so yeah guys, your APR cannot be exceeds than 35.99 and cannot be lower than 5.99. so yeah, this is the good thing of this website. And the minimum credit score you require for this personal loan, so the thing is that you don't have to require any credit score. You can apply with any credit score, and if you are lucky, or if there are many lenders available out there that are willing to give the bracket loan people a loan, so you can always match with them. And this website cashusa.com will match you with them and you will be able to get a personal loan. So what you have to do is just come to this website, read this article, and then go to this cashflow.com, and you have to just apply. So here is the eligibility criteria, the minimum credit score required, and the offered loan amount. The loan amount they are offering to you is $500 to $10,000, and the required documents. Here is the list. Please check out the website for the list. And the repayment terms. The repayment terms is between 3 months to 72 months. So yeah guys, 72 months is a 6 years, so that is a very large period. You can always repayment your personal loans within the 72 months. So yeah, there is an example of the cashusa.com loans also. So if you are getting the $5,000 loan for 36 months with an APR of 18%, so you'll be your monthly payments will be $180, and with a total loan amount of $6,456. so yeah guys, this is your total amount you have to pay for your personal loans. And how to apply for the cashusa loan, here is the detailed process of this, how to apply for this cashusa.com. and you have to just come to the website and read the documents and read all the process before applying for the loan. So what you have to do is just click on this cashusa.com and you'll be redirected to our website. This is their website, cashusa.com. so what you have to do is you will see that after you reach the website, you will see that request up to $10,000. you just need to add your zip code, you just need to add your social security number and then your date of birth. After you enter that, I will just enter anything right now. I will just show you that after some social security number, and here is the date of birth, here is the and then you have to click on the continue. Here I'm entering the false information to show you the next page after how you can fill the form and what will be the process. I'm going to show you now. So I have just fake out the information. So what you have to do is here is the loan request, and here you have to tell your name and last name and your loan reason, that why are you getting this loan, or why are you wanted these personal loans like medical and business, auto purchase, etc etc. There are many reasons over here, and how much you would like to pay, how much you would like to borrow. You can request from $100 to $10,000. yes guys, the $100 to $10,000. so yes guys, so you have to just enter your amount here, and then you will be redirected to your contact info here, and after that your employment details you have to enter, and then you have to enter your banking account, which is a valid account, so that they can deposit money with your bank account, and then the credit info. And after you completing these steps, it will hardly take 10 minutes to complete these steps, and then your application will be sent to the lenders and they will review it and put a proposal with and or email a proposal to you that with the offer of a personal loans with an uh, according to their APR and their repayment terms. So you need to either accept the offer or just reject the offer if you don't like it. So it's all depend upon you. So yes guys, that's for the video of cashusa.com. It was the review of the cashusa.com. so you just need to visit the makehelpof.com to read all the reviews, and then you have to apply for this website. So yes guys, that's for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you get all the notification of our videos when we will upload the video. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video till the end, please give it a like. It will helps us to motivate and put these types of videos daily. So yes guys, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, and if you haven't watched our previous videos yet, please make sure to watch it. They are really good, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.